Hey guys, it's Jess and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. If you haven't already, press that like button and the subscribe button along with the notification bell so you'll get notified every time I post a new video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a pantry clean out and organize. This pantry was so far past needing help. I had no clue what was in here. So along with having to clean it out or needing to clean it out, I really needed to know what was back in the back of it, what we had just kind of shoved back there and forgot about. So the first thing I'm going to do is just take everything out of the pantry. As I'm taking it out, I'm going to try my best to organize it on my table or whatever surface you're putting your items on. This makes it a whole lot easier when you start putting the stuff back in your space, to make sure it's all organized and you've kind of got all of the items that you know how many you're working with. And by just taking everything out, you're able to clean the space before you put everything back into the cabinet, so you know everything's really nice and clean and organized. So this is all of the items that came out of that little pantry. This was so amazing to just get it all out and be able to go through it and throw away anything that had been expired, donate any items that we weren't using and hadn't been using or hadn't been used up yet, or we just had extras of. Now I'm just going to clean out these cereal containers that we hadn't been using, that I had planned on using this time. And I made a huge mess when I poured out one of the cereal containers. It went all over the sink. That's why you see me pull out my humidifier and that cake stand to kind of wipe up the mess. But I just wanted to get these really clean before I put all the new cereals in there. So I'm just going to give them a good wash and let them dry. So I wanted to let you guys in on something. Today's video, the video you're watching now, Michael done all of the editing to this video, and I was really excited when he asked me how I done my editing or if he could help me with it. So I just turned over the reins to him, showed him kind of where you could find things, and he done this 100% on himself, by himself. All I done was record the video, and he even helped me with that, and then I done the voiceover. So if you guys have made it this far, leave down in the comments and let him know what you guys think and how good of a job he done, because I'm so proud of him. And I just want to let him know how much he's appreciated by me and you all too. So if you guys have somebody that helps you out with your YouTube channel and helps you get all of your things done, leave it down in the comments, and I just want to let them know too that they're appreciated. People behind the scenes are sometimes a godsend. A lot of times Michael don't want to be in the videos, but he helps me out tremendously, helping me pull together these videos and get them posted on time. So you all might be noticing that I'm kind of writing down something there on the door, and all I'm doing here is just writing down what is in the pantry as I'm putting it back in. So we'll kind of have like an inventory list of what's in the pantry, so we can just kind of scroll down it, see if we have it, or if we're out of it, about to be out of it, or if we need more than what we already have in the pantry. And I thought this would kind of help us out with not overbuying and knowing what we have, so we know what needs to be used and what we don't need to buy any more of. We are almost done with this pantry clean out. We're about halfway through, and I'm just going to keep on organizing the bottom half, and I'm still waiting on my containers to dry to put cereal in. So I try my best to use specific shelves for different food items or certain categories of foods. This just makes it so much easier. I find when I'm making something and I need a specific item, I know what shelf I can look at to find that certain item, and it just makes it so much quicker instead of having to look at the whole entire pantry. So I broke out my label maker to put the expiration date on the front of these containers for each of these cereals so we know when they were going to expire. I already had the Lucky Charms on here and I didn't label it with the expiration date, so we're just going to try to eat those as fast as we can. So like I had said before, I use different shelves in my pantry for different categories of food or canned goods. So in our pantry, we use the top shelf for cereal. The next one is just for any easy prepackaged, like microwavable meals. I devote the next shelf completely to pasta because we always have a ton of it. And then the one below that, I just put all of our canned goods on. So this is any pre-made soups, vegetables, pasta sauces. And then I have a shelf completely for like desserts or candy making. So anything sweet is going to go on that last shelf. And then on the floor, I try to put anything that's in a can or extra sauces we have. I want to thank you guys so much for joining me today and spending some time with me. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and got some extreme cleaning motivation from it and inspires you to get up and clean and organize whatever you've been needing to get done and just not wanting to do yet. I hope you guys join my YouTube family here and like and subscribe along with pressing that notification bell, and I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next one.